somewhere up on a hill outside of Hammertown. I think we're looking for turkey claw or something like that, but man, this is just goes and goes. That's Chocolate Thunder over there. And then this hill right here blocks out the other half of all the lights and camping. This is just incredible. Is that Blake Wilkie? I think so. Buggy. So if you guys don't know who they are, look them up. Brite Nation. These guys kind of did a start to finish from when they bought this, stripped it down, rebuilt it, came to Hammers for the first time and finished the race. What do you have to say? How you guys feeling?
We're feeling good.
All right.
We're looking for a 2 for 2. We're going to finish again this year.
Well, we out there watching you guys.
Awesome. Right on, man.
All right.
We're excited.
One more quick walk around before they head out. There's Chris and Beck. Solid run. I don't know where they stand in the positions, but that is a solid run. Warm you up. Woo! Come on, Kevin! Woo! Sounds okay because the wind's blowing really bad out here. we're down here at the BFG tent this morning, and these guys donate their time and knowledge, come out here and help some of these guys that break down while they're out having fun, and try to get these guys back out there so they can enjoy the rest of their weekend. So if you guys come down here and you break something, need something welded or patched back together just so you can continue your weekend, come over, see these guys, and they'll get you set up and get you back on the trail. Yeah, so if you guys can't tell, it was really windy out there. I hope the audio wasn't too bad and you guys can bear with this, but man, let me tell you, just all the rigs out there, the people I met, it was a little overwhelming. You just really don't know which way to go. There's rigs of every make, model, and size out there. If you guys are ever thinking about going, definitely go. I've been thinking about this for, I don't know, years and years since the first video I watched, and it just kind of seemed like it would come and go, and this year I finally just pulled the trigger and decided I got to do this. You know, with all the craziness going on in the world right now, it's just one thing you got to do. You got to definitely check this place out. Yeah, some of the people here, these were the nicest people. The traffic was crazy, but you know what? It worked, man. It was crazy. People zigzagging in and out of each other and whatnot, but it was totally awesome. Man, there was so many rigs everywhere. There was drivers, there was pit crews, there was just kids, dogs, everything there. Everybody just having a good time. Looking back, I missed so many opportunities because there was just so many people there, and like I said, it was just almost overwhelming. Next year I'll be a little more prepared on who I want to see, who I want to talk to, questions to ask, stuff like that. But this year I just kind of winged it and just really try to just take it all in and prepare myself for next year. I met some of the coolest people here and made some good friends for life.
Hey guys, what's up? You're here with Off-Road Stuff. My name is Hollie. I am the owner and driver of Mischiefmaker. You can find us at Mischiefmaker TV, but this is a 2017 Jeep Wrangler. I've had it on the road and on the trail since 2019. Been through 4 builds, and if you want to catch up with this build of what we do, head on over to Mischiefmaker TV on YouTube. You can also find us at Mischiefmaker JKU on Facebook and Instagram, and we're here at KOH 2022. We're already 10 days in. We have this weekend coming up when the races are starting, and it's been a fantastic time, and we'll catch you guys somewhere soon.
Thanks for following along. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share with friends, ring that bell for notification, and most importantly, be safe, and we'll see you on the trail.